Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI image free of charge using Gemini. So Gemini has now launched a new feature where you can basically create AI pictures using its feature. So it's called Gemini 2.0 Flash. So let me show you how to access this as it's completely free of charge. So first you want to go ahead and open up Safari. In Google here, you want to go ahead and type Gemini 2.0 Flash. And this is what you need to go ahead and open up. So try Google Gemini 2.0. Go ahead and log in using your Google account. Tap try, accept the conditions. And now here you're in the Google AI Studio. At the top here, you'll see Gemini 2.0. However, if you click on it, you'll have these different experimental features. So if you want to create an image, you need to go ahead and use the Gemini 2.0 Flash image generator or generation. Tap on this. And now you want to go ahead and type in description. So we'll go ahead and type in a description. Create me a YouTube thumbnail where I am in the sea and there is a shark behind me. Go ahead and send it off. And now using my description, it'll basically create me a YouTube thumbnail. You can go ahead and revise the description and create more images as there is no limit to this. Since this is an experimental feature from Google, they'll give you as many tries as you want. So there you go guys, that is how to create an AI image free of charge on Google.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.